Multifunctional quantitative training system. Circuit class training mode. The multifunctional quantitative training system satisfies at least 3 key features of an effective and efficient physical training program. 1. Circuit class training allows patients to practice intensively in a meaningful and progressive way that suits their individual needs. 2. It is an efficient use of the therapist's time during which patients are actively engaged in task practice as compared to individual therapy. With that, this training system is potentially an effective method of cost saving to the healthcare system by reducing staff-to-patient ratios. 3. The circuit class training design encompasses group dynamics that include peer support and social interaction. This peer support and social interaction may enhance attendance at classes and improve compliance with individual exercises, thus increasing the dose of training and therefore its effectiveness. Furthermore, the social interaction may bring its own psychosocial benefits, for example, increased confidence and improved mood. Introduction to product features. 1. The system is designed to conduct high-intensity impairment-oriented group circuit class training. This system is designed to assess the level of disability of patients and to intensify treatment of those with a severely to moderately affected arm after having a stroke. 2. This system is based on the use of biomechanics, human kinematics, physiology, cognitive psychology, and so on. The task-oriented practice encourages patient participation and voluntary movement. These voluntary movement activities elicit motor learning more than passively induced movement. 3. Improve range of motion, ROM. The system allows patients to perform prolonged voluntary movements slowly and thus to maintain normal joint function by increasing and preserving joint mobility and flexibility. 4. Improve muscle endurance. Turn the knob to set level of resistance. Turning the knob to the right, clockwise, increases the resistance, and turning the knob to the left, counterclockwise, decreases the resistance. 5. Cognitive function training. The agility trainer of the system, operated by a microcomputer program, engages patients in training for improving power, agility, endurance, eye-hand coordination, fine motor skills, logic, memory, or reaction. 6. The goniometer for ROM. The training system allows the user to read the angle of joint activity and range values of every joint movement easily. 7. Quantitative training parameters. The system utilizes a multifunction LCD that displays weight, time, distance, total calorie count, and other quantitative parameters. 8. Adjustable resistance. Users can adjust the resistance anytime according to their training objectives. 9. Space saving. With their unique space-saving compact size, these cube-shaped racks allow 8 to 9 individuals to perform the training simultaneously in a much smaller area. It may be more cost-effective than additional individual physical therapy sessions, as only 1 to 2 therapists are necessary to run each group session for up to 8 to 9 patients. Set 1. Basic task-oriented quantitative training group. Multifunction mini bike. The user is required to sit on a chair with a backrest when using this equipment, as the backrest may keep the user's back in a neutral position and relieve discomfort. Therefore, it is beneficial for users with low back pain, a cardiopulmonary disorder, and pregnant women. The major muscle groups involved in pedaling include the quadriceps, leg muscles, tibialis anterior, gastrocnemius, and soleus muscle. Pedaling options: forward, reverse, and reciprocate turns. Product operating instructions. Adjustment of digital meter. The height adjustment mechanism is ergonomically designed to allow the user to position the height of the multifunction mini bike to a comfortable level. The resistance range is from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. Upper limbs exerciser. The upper limbs exerciser helps patients regain the use of an affected upper limb through bilateral arm training. Bilateral arm training is performed by linking both hands together so that the less affected limb facilitates the passive movement of the affected limb. Product operating instructions. The height adjustment mechanism is ergonomically designed to allow the user to position the height of the upper limbs exerciser to a comfortable level. It is ideal for wheelchair users and, in some cases, for use at standing height. In addition, the adjustable resistance knob provides variable resistance levels to accommodate different physical conditions. The resistance range is from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. The goniometer on the upper limbs exerciser can be used to measure both active and passive range of motion from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. The upper limbs exerciser has 2 horizontal adjustment clamps to allow users to adjust the length of the hand grip. The upper limbs exerciser incorporates a non-contact goniometer for measuring shoulder joint angles or range of motion. If the resistance is abnormal, open the black plastic cover and apply a few drops of general-purpose lubricating oil to the sliding part. Incline rail. The incline rail is a useful range of movement ROM exerciser designed for facilitating various shoulder stretching and strengthening activities, including the shoulders, elbows, and wrists. To provide more resistance, weights can be added on the sliding piece. Before using the equipment, the user, with their feet flat on the floor, should lean forward as far as possible without losing their balance, falling forward, or taking a step. The incline rail is useful for improving motor performance and balance. Slide options: slide in middle range, round tag 20 centimeters, terminal range, purple tag 40 centimeters, and anywhere in between the middle and terminal range on the slider bar. To strengthen the weak hand, grasp the sliding piece where weights can be added. Product operating instructions. The equipment weights are either 0.5 or 1 kilogram, which allows the user to easily incrementally increase the weight according to their training schedule. A steeper slope can increase the sliding difficulty. Loosen the knob pin and adjust to the desired slope position, and then tighten the knob pin when the desired position is reached. Set 2. Intermediate Task-Oriented Quantitative Training Group. Shoulder wheel. The shoulder wheel can be used to improve the physical strength of the shoulder muscles and provide more stability to the joint. The goniometer on the shoulder wheel can be used to measure both active and passive range of motion from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Product operating instructions. The height adjustment mechanism is ergonomically designed to allow the user to position the height of the shoulder wheel to a comfortable level. It is ideal for wheelchair users or, in some cases, for use at standing height. In addition, the adjustable resistance knob provides variable resistance levels to accommodate different physical conditions. The resistance range is from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. The shoulder wheel has an adjustment clamp to allow the user to adjust the length of the hand grip to find the optimal length. The shoulder wheel incorporates a non-contact goniometer for measuring shoulder joint angles or range of motion. If the resistance is abnormal, open the black plastic cover and apply a few drops of general-purpose lubricating oil to the sliding part. Hand wheel. The hand wheel can be used to improve the physical strength of elbows and provide more stability to the joints. The goniometer on the hand wheel can be used to measure both active and passive range of motion from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Product operating instructions. the adjustable resistance knob provides variable resistance levels for different physical conditions. The resistance range is from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. The hand wheel has an adjustment clamp to allow the user to adjust the length of the hand grip to find the optimum length. The hand wheel has a non-contact goniometer for measuring elbow joint angles and range of motion. If the resistance is abnormal, open the black plastic cover and apply a few drops of general-purpose lubricating oil to the sliding part. Wrist wheel. The wrist wheel hand bar can accommodate any size hand and flex and glove if necessary to support pronation and supination, shoulder and arm exercises. It allows for unique exercise movements of the hand and forearm with targeted training of the pronator teres and pronator quadratus. Hold the wrist wheel and rotate the left arm and right to increase wrist or shoulder mobility. Instructions for product operation. The height adjustment mechanism is ergonomically designed to allow the user to position the height of the wrist wheel to a comfortable level. It is ideal for wheelchair users or, in some cases, for use at standing height. In addition, the adjustable resistance knob provides variable resistance levels to accommodate different physical conditions. The resistance ranges from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. The hand wheel has a non-contact goniometer for measuring elbow joint angles and range of motion. If the resistance is abnormal, open the black plastic cover and apply a few drops of general-purpose lubricating oil to the sliding part. Set 3. Advanced Task-Oriented Quantitative Training Group. Agility Trainer. The Agility Trainer is a training system with 10 touch surfaces with green signals that light up in sequence with varying positions and speeds. Users should try to deactivate the light as soon as it appears by quick touch or to act and react as quickly as possible. Whether training for power, agility, endurance, eye-hand coordination, fine motor skills, logic, memory, or reaction, the Agility Trainer tests personal limits, resulting in the ultimate fitness gaming platform for any challenge. This universal training tool provides a fantastic cardio workout across numerous applications, including fitness and rehabilitation. Upper and lower limbs double pulley trainer. The upper and lower limbs double pulley trainer is a multifunctional piece of equipment that's perfect for performing a wide variety of exercises for the whole body. It's ideal for rehabilitation for those who are looking to improve their muscle strength and endurance by utilizing resistance and pulling exercises. Resistance is provided by a weight stack linked to a height-adjustable cable to which handles and an ankle strap, supplied, can be attached. Product operating instructions. Training goal setting. Select a target distance and weights for your workout. Adjust the pulley height to a comfortable level, which is ideal for wheelchair users or, in some cases, at standing height. All things considered, determine your specific weight training goals and then choose the number of repetitions that works best for you. Portable Multifunction Mini Bike. The portable multifunction mini bike helps patients regain the use of their affected upper limb through bilateral arm training. Bilateral arm training is performed by linking both hands together so that the less affected limb facilitates passive movement of the affected limb. Riding options: forward, reverse, and reciprocate turns. Product operating instructions. Multifunction LCD display viewing angle adjustment. For optimal viewing, look at the full face of the display, then adjust the display angle to your own preference. The adjustable resistance knob provides variable resistance levels to accommodate different physical conditions. The resistance ranges from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest. attachments, and accessories. Power wheel rack. Caster wheels fitted to the bottom of the power wheel rack enables the rack to be moved easily. Heavy-duty adjustable leveling knobs are incorporated to provide a level, stable base for the power wheel rack. These adjustable leveling knobs help to ensure the rack is anchored correctly and is level on uneven surfaces. Rehabilitative positioning glove. If the user does not have a powerful enough grip to hold on, it's important to use the rehabilitation positioning glove when performing grasping exercises and interacting with real objects. Medical pedal. If a user cannot keep their foot properly on the pedal, it's important to use the medical pedal during their workout. Foot straps are incorporated to help secure both feet on the pedals. Pull the ring of the buckle upward to tighten the pedal strap. The buckle should be situated on the outside edge of the pedals and above your toes. The result should be a forward-facing compartment you can tighten or loosen using the strap and buckle. The straps are securely attached to the pedals.